Just like that, I'm trading and I love it. As he posted the official data that was used to fire him, gutire kindu kioru ta maheni not yohoro. By the way, those coming here for insults, kindly note, you are doing so in vain. Mimi matusi nilishazoea kwa siasa and I never get moved. The bottom line is that it won't change the truth. Kindly encourage your bishop to be a truthful person because those who know me well can attest. I have never been a malicious person and I try to do good to people and assist where I can, even though I never get the same measure. What Kiengei did not tell you is that I'm the one who discovered his talent through a talent search program that I had conceptualized and he participated in the Nakuru on-ground Kameme talent search. Voting was being done on Kameme radio on air and he was one of the finalists. After I gave him a chance to co-host the morning political show, but the then presenter of Arahuka show said they didn't have chemistry on air, and he was not keen on doing the show with him. At that time, Kiengei was not even employed, but he was being trained. He had to temporarily take a break until another opening stroke opportunity came up.